I got nothing to say. Okay, you remember a suffix. A suffix is something that you add to the end of a word that helps change the meaning of that word. Okay? So you remember, you might add something like less to hope. Hope means like have hope. But then if you add less to hope, you have hopeless. Now you're hopeless. But you add full to the end of hope, you got hopeful. Now you're hopeful. So a suffix is something you add at the end of a word that changes that word. Okay? But we're going to learn something called a prefix. A prefix is something you add at the beginning of a word that changes that word. Okay, for example, we take the word happy. Happy is happy, right? But if we add the prefix un to it, un, we have unhappy. So that word has now become unhappy, which means to not be happy. You're unhappy about something. If you're happy about something, you're really happy about it. You're like, yeah. But if you're unhappy about something, you're like, ah, ha, 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 no. But so you can see that the prefix changed something. So the prefix can change what the word means by adding something to the beginning of it. Prefix is something at the beginning of a word that changes what the word means. Let's think of another example. Okay, broken. You have the word broken, it means to be broken. You got something that's broken. Then if I put the prefix un, which is un, at the beginning of the word broken, we have the word unbroken. And what does that mean? That means to be not broken, it's unbroken. So yeah, prefixes is something you add at the beginning of a word that changes the meaning of that word. Helps change the meaning of that word. And yeah, so go and find words and think of some prefixes, or find some prefixes. Find some words that were words by themselves, but then you have given prefixes that help that change the word, and write down what the meaning of that word, the new meaning of the word is once you add the prefix to it. And another thing, the thing that we add the prefix to is called the root word. So yes, it's called the root word. Anything you add the prefix to or suffix to is called the root word. So in the case of unhappily or unhappy, happy would be the root word. Got it? In the case for hopeless, hope would be the root word, because you're adding a suffix in. So hope is the root word. That thing is called the root word. Got it? Got it? Let's go.